This is the house that Sally and Stuart Forgan built. It's also known as 1 Abbey Lane, the house restoration project that featured on BBC Restoration Homes. To say that the restoration came with certain emotions attached is an understatement, but even with its difficulties, Sally and Stuart's love for restoration didn't end there. 3 doors down, and they've decided to do it all over again. What will they discover this time around? What mysteries will be unearthed from this Tudor home? Join us as we follow their journey. Subscribe today and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss an upcoming episode.